Hi, I'm Joe of Family Handyman. We all use paper towels in our everyday life. The majority of the time it's mounted under a cabinet or on a wall. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple portable paper towel holder. Let's get started. I'm going to start by making the base. We're going to cut two 7 1/4 inch square pieces out of this 3/4 inch Baltic birch plywood. I like this Baltic birch because it's dense and heavy. One of the downsides to a portable paper towel holder is it's not heavy enough. When you pull the paper towel, it tips over. So we're going to weight the base down by creating a hole in one of the pieces and weighting it with the washers. First thing we want to do is find the center of the board. If you got yourself a straight edge or a ruler, draw a line from the upper left-hand corner down to the lower right-hand corner. Next, we're going to draw a circle for the hole for the washer to go into. You can use the washer to draw a circle, or you can use a compass just because you want the hole to be a little bit oversized. A good size base would be 7 inches. You want to make your base round, not square. So when you pull the paper towel off, it doesn't catch the corner of the square. So we're going to draw a circle, a 7-inch circle with a compass. Next, I'm going to cut out the circle on the bottom piece. You can use a hole saw or a jigsaw. Now that I have the hole cut, we're going to glue the two pieces together. Now that the glue's dry, we want to cut the circle out. You can use a jigsaw or a bandsaw. At this point, you can clean the edges up from the saw marks using a file or an orbital sander. Next, I'm going to drill the hole for the dowel. I'm using 1 1/8" dowel here. You could use 1 1/4", whatever you have laying around, using a Forstner bit. Next, I'm going to cut the dowel at 11 inches. I took off the sharp edge on the dowel with a little bit of sandpaper. You could do the same on the edge of the base. You could also round over the edge with a router. Next, I'm going to drill a pilot hole into the base and then a pilot hole into the dowel. Next, I'm going to drop the weights in. Got this smaller washer with the small hole. I'm going to attach it all with a screw. To seal the wood, I'm going to use some wipe-on poly. This is optional. You can add some rubber feet to the bottom to keep it from moving. There it is, portable paper towel holder finished. Let's see how it works. Works perfectly. For more projects like this, visit us at familyhandyman.com.